One pass all the way around. Ready? Get in a comfortable position because you're going to need all that.